wake up early every day.
I brush my teeth every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I go to school every day. I drink water all day. I read a book every night. I play outside every evening. I help my mom in the kitchen. I do my homework after school. I watch TV in the evening. I talk to my friend every day. I wash my hands before eating. I listen to music every day. I take a bath every night. I go to sleep at night. Good night. Bye-bye. We will meet again in next video.